All right, you guys. So I saw this on someone else's Instagram, and then I put it into the search bar and saw it a few more times. And I was like, wow, I really want to try that. I'm really wondering how effective it is. So basically, what I did was I DM'd 100 makeup brands. That's right. 100 makeup brands. I DM'd them on Instagram and basically asked if I could be added to their PR list. What that means is that they would send me product in exchange for free posts, advertisements, and reviews. Now, I definitely want to pivot to a space where I'm getting paid for this because content creation can take a lot of time and energy. However, I just wanted to see how effective this was and how many brands would even respond, say yes, say no, or provide me with an email that I can reach out to. When you get added to a PR list and you receive products from a company with no strings attached, that is the best thing ever. That means they believe in your work, they believe in your content, they trust that you will share in your own way. And that can be by post, video, going on their page, leaving, comments, reviews, likes. I like to create YouTubes. I frequently use Super Great and Flip, which are like popular beauty review apps. So I just thought this was a really genius way to reach out to brands. Now, I know a lot of people probably have done this. Some people will even say this is the least professional way to actually reach out to a brand. However, I think in this world, when there's so much going on social media, there really is no right or wrong way. If you can reach a brand, do it. If you can cultivate a relationship, if you can get on a PR list and grow that into a long-lasting relationship with a brand where you then get paid to create content, that's the best thing. Now, she only wrote like one or two sentences, which I think kind of was definitely even more aggressively a shot in the dark. From my experience, I think brands want to know, what are they getting out of this? If they add me to their PR list, am I creating content? Am I guaranteeing sales? Are people going to use the discount code? Like, what am I asking for? So I think my approach was a little bit different. She said, hey, my name is so-and-so. I love this product. It did this for me. I would love to be added to your PR list. I think that's not a bad approach, but I think for me, I want to leave a little bit more of a lasting effect. And I really want to let that brand know, like, I'm a huge fan. I use your products. I purchase your products. Here's what I'm offering you in exchange to be on your PR list. And I think that is what's going to make me be a little bit different than other people. And I don't know if she followed up on the emails that she received. I have to continue to find creative ways to push myself forward, to make sure that I'm relevant, staying on top of trends. And I love makeup. So it's not hard for me when you do something that you love. It's just not difficult at all. So I'm not going to disclose every single detail of what I shared, what brands I reached out to, but I am going to pick a select few and I'm going to give a few different examples about what worked, what didn't work, why I thought it was a success, if I received any compliments, if I received any kind of feedbacks, because you'd be surprised. Sometimes you do receive feedback from these brands. And so I think that's very crucial and very important because when I do reviews, I don't like to bash people. But if I don't like a particular product, I will say, hey, I don't like it. I don't think it was for me. I'm dry skin. Maybe this was made for oily skin. But there's always room for growth. So just keep that in mind when you're working with brands. You're growing and so are they. So don't be rude. Don't drag them. And if they say no, that's okay. So with all of that being said, come on this journey with me. I am going to really keep track of every brand that I reach out to, 100 brands in their Instagram DMs. And I'm going to share some of my experiences and if this is worth the energy and the effort. I'm not copying and pasting every single message, and I'm only really reaching out to brands that I love, that I use on a regular, and that I genuinely believe in. If they add me to their PR list, I want to know that I can authentically give a review and be honest and say, I love this. I hate this. It's for me. It's not for me. So on and so forth. So I'm very excited. I love being a very small influencer, and I love the people that follow me. I love all the support that I get. And I really just love trying new products. So I'll keep you guys posted.